Devon's waterfalls, with their timeless allure, serve as a testament to the raw power and elegance of Mother Nature. From the graceful flow of water gently trickling down moss-covered rocks to the thunderous roar of torrents plunging into crystal-clear pools below, each waterfall tells a story of resilience and beauty. But beyond their sheer magnificence, Devon's waterfalls are vital ecosystems, supporting a diverse array of plant and animal life. They provide essential habitats for aquatic species and contribute to the overall health of our environment. In their presence, we are reminded of the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet.